Okay guys, so here's a quick little mod that I was told would work, but I don't know. And it should be pretty simple, pretty cut and dry, but hold on, I gotta go get something. They say that the truck's up. Whoops, that was easy. All come pre-wired for the switches. These guys are here. You can't see dick, can you? Sorry. And it looks like they do. And supposedly, oh, lights up. Oh. Well, unfortunately, the only thing that changes in my truck supposed to do all this. Apparently my truck, the only thing it can change is my what the fuck is that? Oh well. Oh my god. My Tundra needs gas. Who would have thought? I thought I was gonna be all cool after reading on forums that you just buy those buttons that you just watched me slam in there, and the truck was pre-wired, and I could switch and scroll through all my and have my truck tell me my miles per gallon and stuff. And this factory, it just came with like this little plug, but it was wired. I heard the switch, it said to order, but all it does is change my outside temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Whatever, I guess I'll leave it in because at least it does something. It would be nice if I could see that I was getting 8 miles to the gallon everywhere I go. Just saying. Okay guys, so here's a stupidly install video. Stupidly easy install video. Got my LED lights from the Tundra. Look down here, you can see the bulb. Pretty easy. Stock one's out. Okay, so sorry, we took the wrong bulb out first. We accidentally took the high beam bulb out first. So the low beam is going to be a little bit harder because of the depth of the LED bulb with the fan motor assembly on it. So we're going to have to pull the headlight. I'll be right back. Okay, so we pulled the headlamp assembly out. You got to pull the filler piece out underneath the headlight. There's two little pop clips. Be very gentle not to break them. The other side just clip into the fender. There's one bolt under that. There's two on the top that hold the headlamp assembly in. Once you put the LED bulb in, you have literally just enough room between the bulb and the fender support. Let's see what that one looks like before we put it back together. Oh my god, hell yes, what an improvement, guys. It's hard to tell on camera, but I can already tell, like, it's gonna be so much brighter. Let's get this side put back together and pull the other side out and get it changed. Like I said, you're going to want to be careful with this part. Oh, like I said, you'll break it. Old bulb. Always keep your old bulbs because you never know what's going to happen. They spin into place quite nicely. They fit very, very well. Open up. Now, like I said, I broke the pop clip. That was dumb. But I'm going to improvise. I'll be right back. I'm back. Oh, that's beautiful. Now, what I did, because I broke the pop clip, these little Christmas tree clips work perfect. So, let's make sure it works. Huh. That might be a fail. There we go. There you go, guys.